Hello, in front of me I've got SONY earbuds. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with Android smartphone. In the beginning, enter pairing mode for your earbuds. Now you'll get prompt on your Android smartphone, select connect. Now you can set up Google Assistant. Sign into your account. Tap agree. Accept. Next, 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 allow, more agree, turn on, next, next, and it's done. Your earbuds are connected. If you don't want to link your earbuds with Google Assistant, you simply tap skip at the beginning of the whole process. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.